Welcome back to this video. If you use Android phone, consider to watch this video from beginning to end and see important settings you need to turn off right now if you are very much more concerned about your security on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Google Play Store. So I'm going to click on here to open up my Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon right here. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on Play Protect. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on the setting icon. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn off this particular button. When you turn off this particular button right here, Google will not be able to send information about the app you use to developer any longer. Next, click on go back, then go back. Next thing you need to do is to go back to your profile icon right here again. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on settings. Then go to general. Then you have to simply scroll down right here where you have app install optimization. This is another way by which Google collects your data as far as the app you use, everything you do on your phone, and send it to developer. What you need to do is to turn off this in order to maintain your privacy and security. Make sure this is also turned off. Lastly, what we want to do is to exit from the Play Store. Then you have to head over to the Chrome browser. So if you have Chrome browser on your phone, make sure you also turn this particular last button off. So what we want to do is to head over to the Chrome right here. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on these three dots from the top corner right here. Then simply scroll down and make sure you click on settings. The next thing you need to do is to go to addresses and more. And from the section right here, make sure you turn off this. By turning off this particular button right here, Google will not be able to by turning off this particular button right here, Google will not be able to share the information like your phone number, your email address, your shipping address, etc. to some apps or websites that you no longer trusted. It's as simple as that. So basically, these are three important settings you need to turn off right now on your Android phone. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.